Today we're making birria tacos.
This is a recipe you'll want to save. Start by removing the stems and seeds from your chilies, then season all the meat with salt and sear it in a large oiled pot over a medium heat until brown on all sides. Remove beef then, add onions and cook until softened. Add tomato paste and cook down for a minute before adding garlic and beef stock. Add your chilies, bay leaf, cinnamon, oregano, coriander and some cracked pepper. Return the beef along with its juices. Cover and simmer on low for an hour. Remove the chilies and blend with a cup of stock until smooth. Pour it back into the pot, bring to a simmer, cover, then braise for another 90 minutes. Remove the meat, shred with a fork, season that broth and set it aside. Dunk a tortilla into the broth completely and place into a cast iron over a medium heat. Add cheese, beef and a drizzle of the broth. Fold tacos over and cook for 1 to 2 minutes on each side.